Hi. Austria. We're stuck on the train. There's nothing around, just fields, and we're not moving. And we're gonna be stuck here for another hour, at least. Could be 2. No candy bars, no chips.
Bottles of wine.
And just hurt my finger.
Oh.
So we just thought we'd make a video instead.
Good. So, Jodi, tell us what you liked best about this train ride.
The bathrooms are really nice. You can put the windows down.
That's good. I do like that.
But you can't throw anything out the
window.
Get that.
Oh.
But in our room over here,
This is the room.
You can. You can just step out the window.
And you can jump out the window too. There's no extra there.
We can also be completely private because
It has curtains.
And we can lock people out.
Wow. If we wanted to have sex with men. And here we could. Okay.
This is our view from this side.
Let's look out here.
It's beautiful.
It is. Look, there's a train.
And there's another man.
People hiding from the Nazis. Okay. So now that you can see the big truck going by, this is... Well, the reason why we're stuck is there's a train right up in front of us on our track.
Oh, I thought we were going that way.
Oh. Well, then
Okay,
they're
anyway,
stuck too. Back
to me.
Okay.
I just wanted to say one thing. Hello, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Adieu, adieu to you and you and you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.